I get asked all the time, how are you on all these platforms? How do I find the time to create all of this content? I got the secret that I'm sharing with you today. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 10 ways you can repurpose your content. Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for being here. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I'm a social media influencer with a following across the board on every platform. This is my second YouTube channel that I created to help content creators and influencers and share behind the scenes information. So if you're an influencer or content creator and want to learn more, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video. So today's video is all about repurposing. So I get asked so many times, like, Angel, how do you do it? Okay, I am on all the social media channels because I am on YouTube, I am on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Pinterest, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Amazon. I am an Amazon live creator too, which is so cool. I get asked all the time, how are you on all these platforms? And guys, one of my biggest secrets, okay, yes, you get to get all the juices on this channel. One of my biggest secrets is that I do a lot of repurposing. Okay, so let's start with the definition of repurposing, because I'm using this word and you might be like, what does that mean? That means using the same piece of content and make a new purpose for that content. So you're going to, in essence, repurpose it. You're going to use the same piece of content for another platform or for something else without having to create new content. You're just going to pretty much reuse it, remix it, or refurbish it for another platform. So we're just calling it repurpose. Today, I'm gonna give you guys 10 ways that you can repurpose your content. So I love to repurpose content. That is one way that I am able to run and manage all of my platforms, you guys. And if you're new, just know that I have a presence on practically every platform, and not just a small presence. I have a large following across the board, from Pinterest to YouTube to Instagram to TikTok. I'm an A-list Amazon live creator, so I have a pretty large presence, and so I do a lot of repurposing. Okay, so here's some ways that you can use the same piece of content for another purpose or another platform. Number one, use your YouTube video to repurpose them to Instagram and Facebook stories. So you can do this a number of ways. You can use your thumbnail that you did for YouTube and just repost your thumbnail on Instagram or Facebook stories with a swipe up or link to your content. You can also take a picture of you looking at a computer watching your YouTube video and use that picture to push your content on your Instagram and Facebook stories. You're not really creating new content, you're just using what you have. You can also do a snippet, like a 15-second snippet of your YouTube video. Let's just say your intro, and use that 15 seconds, edit it down to that 15 seconds and put it on your stories or your Facebook. And that way you're using the same piece of content on other platforms, so you're able to keep your presence on Instagram and keep your presence on Facebook just by using your YouTube videos. Another way to repurpose the same piece of content is to use your Instagram photo that you posted on your feed, your photo or your carousel or your video, whatever you post on your Instagram feed, repurpose that and use it on Facebook. Put it on your Facebook page. And Instagram makes it actually super easy to do this, because there's a settings in your Instagram profile that you can click to link your Facebook page with your Instagram, so that when you post your content, you get this option to say, click to share to Facebook as well, and you just click that little button, and guess what? One piece of content becomes repurposed for 2 platforms. You're posting to 2 platforms at one time. What easier way is there to do than to post to multiple platforms at one time? So repurpose your same Instagram stuff and put it on your Facebook page also. And here's another way adding on to that. So for the third way, you can do the same thing with your Instagram stories. Whatever you post in your Instagram stories, post it on Facebook stories. So you're not redoing new content for the 2 different platforms. Use that same Instagram story and put it on Facebook stories. Now, here's another helpful hack, you guys. You can literally sync your Facebook page with your Instagram, so that when you post your Instagram stories, it automatically posts to Facebook stories as well. Yes, options and polls, all of that included, swipe ups, everything included. It will automatically sync. It will automatically create the same story for Facebook. So that's another easy way to repurpose the same content for multiple platforms. Tip number 4, use your Instagram picture to post to Twitter. Yes, you can post your same stuff on Instagram to Twitter. Why am I saying Twitter like that? A picture, a video, whatever, you can post it to Twitter. You can do it manually, or here's another hack. So you can sync your Twitter to your Instagram, and so that you get this option when you're posting to Instagram, there's an option to automatically post to Twitter. You can use that option to automatically post to Twitter. Do I always use the option? No, I do not, and there are reasons why. I'll come back and go into more details in another video, but just know you can repurpose your same content that you put on Instagram to Twitter, pictures and videos included, and vice versa. Whatever you post to Twitter, if you post a little quote on Twitter, you can take a screenshot of that quote and post to your Instagram feed. Works both ways. Here's another way to post to multiple platforms. Use your YouTube video and post it in a tweet. Yes, you can tweet a link to your YouTube video. That way you're keeping your Twitter active. You're also promoting content on your YouTube. You can tweet your thumbnail. You can tweet your links to your video. You can tweet a snippet of your video if you want. Whatever you want, but use that same YouTube video and make it a tweet in some form or fashion and repurpose that so that you're keeping your Twitter active. That's another way. So here's another way to repurpose your YouTube video. Take your YouTube video and make it into a pin for Pinterest. Yes, YouTube to Pinterest. Okay, so you can do it a multitude of ways. You can share your YouTube video to your Pinterest account so that the video goes directly to Pinterest. Or what I like to do is I like to create a pin from my YouTube videos, because the tall size pins, which are actually made for Pinterest, taller pins performs much better on Pinterest than anything else. Just know that. So I like to take my thumbnail and turn it into a long form pin and pin it on Pinterest with a link to my YouTube video, so that when people click on my pin, they get to go to my YouTube video. Guess what? You're getting the best of both worlds. You're keeping your Pinterest account active, and also you're getting traffic to your YouTube video. There's another way to repurpose your same content. Here's another way, you guys. Take your YouTube video and put it into a blog post. I do this all the time, okay? Almost every blog post on my blog usually has a YouTube video of some sort in that blog post that I am repurposing. So when people go to my blog or read my blog post, guess what? My YouTube is getting advertised, it's getting traffic, and it's getting pushed also. So put your YouTube videos into a blog post, and there you go. You're able to keep your blog running and content on your blog, and you're also able to push traffic to your YouTube videos. Here's another great idea, and I've done this a lot in the past. Use your Instagram photos and repurpose them on Pinterest. You can literally repin your Instagram pictures on your Pinterest account. So yeah, so when people are scrolling on Pinterest and they come across your picture, it's your Instagram picture. And if they click it, you can get that traffic going back to Instagram. So yeah, use your same Instagram pictures and put them on Pinterest, you guys. You can repin them, and then that way you get that traffic going back to your Instagram from Pinterest. And here's another great way to repurpose your content. Use your same TikToks and repurpose them into Reels. You can do this a multitude of ways. You can download your TikTok and share it, but however, Instagram is against that TikTok logo showing up on your Reels. So you need to get rid of that logo. You can do that by either cropping, or you can do what I do. I just edit my short form TikToks and Reels in an outside editing app. So that way, once I edit it one time, I use that same video for both TikTok and Reels. And all I do is, once I'm in that platform, I add their music for whichever platform. I added, the music for that platform to it, but it's the same video ready to go. So another great thing you can do is, whatever picture you use for your thumbnail, you can use that thumbnail as a photo for another platform. So I'm gonna give you a prime example. You can use your thumbnail from YouTube and put it on Instagram. So I've done this a ton of times. So I've used a same thumbnail I created for a YouTube video. I use that same thumbnail for Amazon video, as a matter of fact, for my Amazon live streams. And then I also use that same thumbnail on Instagram as just a regular picture. I just cut it down so that it's not like wide form. I just chopped it down so that it's either square or long form, but it's the same picture, which I should have examples on the screen for you to see what I'm talking about. Same picture, repurposed for another platform. Guys, repurposing saves you time, it saves you energy, and you don't have to worry about creating a million pieces of content for every platform. One easy way I'm able to run and manage and be active on so many platforms, I have a presence, is because I do a lot of repurposing. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. That's my secret. So there are tons of ways. I may come back and do some more ways, but those are just 10 to get you started of ways to repurpose. I'm going to be giving you more ideas in the future also, and I'm going to go more into depth in one video of more ways that you can promote your content. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.